y'all. So I'm about to wrap these gifts. Y'all, it is literally... Oh, God. I'm so sick of him. Yeah, it is literally 6:18 in the morning. I wanted to, first of all, I was tired as on the wet when I got home last night because we got home at 12 o'clock because we finished our Christmas shopping. And I need to wrap this stuff, some of this stuff. I need to wrap Onyx's stuff before he gets home because he's at work right now. So, I'm going to start by wrapping his stuff. I need to separate everything. So, like, I still do have some stuff coming in from like Amazon and stuff like that. But I finished all my shopping, y'all. I finished male stuff, the girl stuff, well, Jim and Jules, my nieces, my grandfather, my uncle, everything. So I'm gonna show y'all everything we got. Child, I ain't no morning person, so y'all gonna have to bear with me. But I'm gonna show y'all everything we got. Let me separate everything or whatever, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. Alright, so y'all, I have separated everything. Okay. Y'all, this right here about to be some shit. Okay. Alright, so for Onyx, let me show y'all what I got him. So I went to Marshall's and I found this Michael Kors sweater. It has like Michael Kors around the neck. It's in black and then it has the MK right here. This was $29.99. I know I said I was y'all like done with it. Well, I didn't say that because the last vlog that y'all saw, I hadn't even gotten him anything yet, for real. But I got him this shirt. I got him these sweatpants. They nice. They like swishies, but they're like really nice. They're by Kenneth Cole. They're slim fit. They were $19.99. I got him these because I think he'll like these for work. And like, especially in the summertime because they're not thick. They're kind of thin. So I think he'll like these for wearing around the firehouse. I showed y'all all of the underwear and stuff like that I got him. But I also got him a table that I'm not going to unpackage. And then I also got him a griddle. I'm going to put the pictures right here. But I got him this table. It's a clear table. He wants this for back there in the in our room in his like man cave area. And then so I got that off of Amazon, and then I got him a griddle for outside. And and I got him this jacket. But I don't even know when that jacket gonna come. It's the jacket I did talk about it in the vlog that you could get things for guys or whatever. It was a pro standard jacket or whatever. It's a varsity jacket. So this is his stuff right here. For my father-in-law, I got him this glass right here with it can hold a cigar. I got that. And then I got him like this cigar case. I'll put a picture right here. But that came for my for Kelly, my sister-in-law's girlfriend. I got her it's like a smoke drink or something like that. I'm gonna put a picture right here because I'm not gonna unbox that. For my uncle, grandfather, and my dad, I got all of them the 3D picture with the picture of Mel in it. Them and Mel in it. So I gotta pick that up on Tuesday. So I'll wrap that Tuesday. And then I also got my grandfather this jacket. It's by Tahari. I got it from Marshall's for $24.99. I thought it was like really cute. And then I got my uncle this cooler. Ooh. I got this cooler from Target. It's by Titan or It's by Arctic Zone. So I got this, which I thought was really nice because whenever he comes over my house, he like, it's usually like, well, sometimes it's like Thanksgiving or whatever, and he be bringing like meat, and then he'll finish cooking it over here. So I was like, oh, this would be perfect. So like at the top, you could put like ice right here or something like that, and you can take this out and you can have the rest of your stuff down there, your meat or whatever like that. This was like $47 or something like that, $45. I can't remember. And of course, there's no price because Target don't do the prices like that. For my nieces, oh, and I got my dad these lights for on his bike because he rides bike, and then I got him some biking shorts, but they haven't come yet either. And then Ganny, I got her a little heart with the picture too, the 3D picture as well. And then my mom, I got her this Coca-Cola cup. I don't know if I showed y'all or not. But I got her a Coca-Cola cup from Marshall's for $6.99. It's blue. I got her that. I still gotta go get the key. The key fob. She wanted like the little case for the key fob. It's like a little silicone case. I still gotta go get that. And then her North Face jacket came. So this was the jacket. She's gonna be excited about that. Oh, this right here. This is Onyx's tape, but I'm not unpackaging it. For my nieces, I got these. So I found a smaller one. Remember I showed y'all the big one that was $129? I found a smaller one that was more for them, I felt like. This one was $34.99. It's by Steve Madden. It comes with the clear case. It comes with fur earmuffs, a luggage tag, which is right here, and then the tumbler. So this one is black. So all they had was black and silver. So I got this one is black, and then the other one is silver. So these are them. And then I also got them these. So they're like little spa sets. So this one has slippers. It has body lotion, 2 nail polish, a robe, slippers, a spa head wrap, toe separation thingies, a foul, and lotion, and a loafer. That one, and then this one is the robe. It's a different color, but it's a robe. The headband, the bath jelly, 2 nail polish, a nail file, the toe separations, and a loafer. So this one will probably be for Jim. This one will probably be for Jules. And then I found, so y'all know when we were younger, we had like the diaries with the little locket and stuff. I was really trying to find one of those for them, and it was so freaking hard. It was ridiculous. So I found this one that has the locket. I found it at Burlington for $3.99. But I can't find another one, so I'm still running around trying to find one of those. But then I also found this at Burlington, which is cute. It was $12.99. It comes with 1 large spiral journal, 1 mini spiral journal, a list pad, 4 binder clips, 6 pens, 1 sticker sheet. So I'm like, it's cute, but I really want a diary. So I'm really trying to run around and trying to find another one. It don't have to be the same color. I just want the same concept. So I'm trying to find that. But I found these at Marshall's for $5.99, and they were cute, but they don't come with pins. I'm like very specific with them. So I really wanted the pins. So I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm going to figure it out though. I'm going to figure it out. Now for Mel, her little cup came from Amazon. This is her little cup. It's so tiny, y'all. It looked big, but it's so tiny. Look. It's tiny. And then it came with the straw. I'm still waiting on her accessories to come, but they should come very soon. I showed y'all the rest of the stuff I got her. I also got her a Princess and the Frog book. I got her some more Minnie Mouse stuff for her room. I got her this pillow. So I might take that other pillow back. I got this from Burlington. Yep, Burlington for $9.99. Then y'all, I found these pictures. They are fabric. It's fabric pictures. It's not like a picture, like a canvas. It's like a, I don't know, I can't explain it. But this was $8.99 Minnie Mouse. And then I found this one too. So we're gonna put these up on her walls. I found this in Walmart, and when I tell you they were so skimped, I guess I waited till the last minute. But I found this little carrier for her baby doll. Cause Mel's been walking around the house talking about, Mommy, Santa's gonna give me a baby doll. So I'm like, okay, gotta kind of make that work some way. I found this in freaking Target, and I had to get it. Cause I'm like, bro, this right here, this is so cute. It's a rug. And I think it was like $25 or something like that. $28, something like that. So I got that. This is her comforter set. It's a 5-piece full bed set. It comes with one comforter, one full sheet, one fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. So I got that. And then her curtains should be coming soon. I didn't order them off Walmart like I said I was because it wasn't going to get here in time. I got this baby doll from Burlington for $19.99. She'll like her. And then I found this at Target. So I want to try to find the rest of the stuff. But this is the high chair. I want to try to find the crib, the diaper bag, and the stroller. Because I think it would be so cute. Mel would love it. It got fur on it. And it's like gold. Like, Mel's going to love that. But this comes with the high chair and the little food. So I got that. And then I got her some little underwear. I got her some little Hello Kitty underwear from, where did I get this from? Burlington? Marshalls? Oh Lord, there's nothing on here. Big Burlington. Oh. Well, where's the bag from? The bag don't have nothing on it. Burlington. Then I got her some little Trolls underwear for $4.99. And then we got her these little slippers. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to, these were $7.99. So I'm about to wrap Onyx's stuff first because I don't know, he gets off at like 6 a.m. And I keep looking at my wrist like it's a watch on it. But, so yeah, I'm about to get his stuff wrapped first. Alright. Y'all pray for me. I'm gonna go get this wrapping paper. I'm gonna show you my wrapping paper. I actually showed y'all this stuff already. These my little tags, and this is my paper. This is gonna be Onyx's paper because he got a bunch of big stuff. Well, he got this big thing, and then the other big thing coming. I'm gonna wrap this thing. I don't know if I'm wrapping that griddle though. That griddle is gonna be huge. And it's gonna be heavy. This is not that heavy, so I could probably work with this. This is gonna be for my grandfather, my father, and my uncle. This is gonna be for the girls. I think this will probably be for my mom, Angel, Kelly. Oh, this is gonna be for Dad too. But this is gonna be for Angel, Kelly, Ma, Mommy, and Ganny. And then this is gonna be for Mel. And then I got these. I gotta find some tape. You know what else I don't have? Boxes. Cause my grandfather and my father and them, they like the boxes. They like the real neat stuff. Like I can wrap it neat without a box, but they like the boxes. So I'm about to figure that out. But I'm about to wrap Onyx's stuff first. So we gotta get to that. Bye guys. One more thing that came that I forgot to show y'all. So these are for my dogs. They locked in the room right now, but is this one, is this one, and this one. Gucci gonna love this one because he love rope. But this one, and then the other one I think is gonna come after Christmas. But they gonna love these. Like, they've had this one before, but they eventually like chewed it up. They've never had this one, and I don't think they've had this one either. So they're gonna love it. But I'm gonna wrap these too. I don't know which paper I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna wrap these for them too. Bye y'all. y'all, so I just finished wrapping all the Onyx's stuff. Thank God I wrapped it before he got home because it's 7:32 now. That box, first of all, the paper. The paper is cute, but it's terrible. Don't buy that paper, y'all. The tape don't stick to the paper for real. Like, it's coming off a little bit. It's very fragile. Like, I'm done with that paper. We ain't using that paper no more. I'm about to do my mom's stuff and everybody, yeah. And then I'm gonna get to Mel's, I think, last. Cause I'm gonna have to put her stuff somewhere. Everybody else's I could put under the tree, but Mel's I'm gonna have to put back in the room. So I'm gonna do her stuff, I think, last. So we're gonna get to the ladies in my life. Maybe I should do Jim and Jules first. No, I'm gonna do my mom real quick. All right. I do need to go get some more bows and a few more things for Mel that I want to get. But I am done. I'm about to put all her stuff in these big old Primark bags and put them away. And everybody else's stuff is going to go under the tree. But I will see you in the next vlog. Bye, y'all.